Hi, I'm Chris. I'm in Barnsley, United Kingdom, and this is my 1931 Ford Model A 5-window coupe. It's an all-steel car. It's had a 5-inch roof chop. Engine-wise, it's a Chevy Small Block Chevy 350, hopped up a little. It's got eagle crank and rods. It's got a thumper cam, roller rockers, camel hump heads. Up top it's got a dual plane Edelbrock inlet manifold, topped off by two 4-barrel Edelbrock carbs. It's built on a 1932 frame. Out back there's a 9-inch Curry axle with a locker and 411 gears. The car wasn't built by me, it was built by a good friend of mine, Mark Hughes. It's built in the 50s style, using period correct parts where possible, such as it's got Buick thinned brake drums, dropped axle, etc, etc. There's a cool story about the car. Mark, who built the car, when he was a young boy, he actually drew a hot rod. Later on in life, obviously when he got more money, more experience, he built the car that he drew when he was a boy, and here she is. Me myself, I got into American cars when I was a child. I saw a Corvette Stingray. I thought, wow, that's Batman's car. So that was my introduction into American cars, and ever since I've really been into them, American trucks, cars, etc. I'd had my eye on this car for a while, but I didn't have the funds to buy it. So at the time I was building a truck, I saw the car had come up for sale. I contacted Mark, the owner, and in the end we had a deal. I part X my truck against the car, hence here she is now.